No, please get away. Are you the Onslaughter? Stupid dude.
Look, someone get cancelled right there. He cancelled that person.
That is it. You are Onslaughter and no one got cancelled.
Are you sure I'm the
Oh!
counselor?
Then I told you to touch me. Why? I didn't say you need to touch me. Okay? Just give me some boundaries. Okay?
Oh,
You guys just touch people and expect them to be okay with it, and you just tricked me with someone who got
Oh,
cancelled.
cheer up, Orange Peanut. It's just a
A
joke.
joke, you say, but it's not funny. And plus, you insulted me.
Okay, I won't insult you.
You're still an orange peanut.
Oh, I know. About earlier you said I was famous in Tumblr, but now please don't tell anyone about that. So I can just give you this little thing, and you promise not to tell anyone.
If I will tell anyone about your chicken story. You look at this smells good, and I still tell your story. Delicious. I will ruin this whole man's career. Real.
Oh, that's it, you stupid orange peanut.
Whoops.
Stop that right now, or I'll.
Whoops.
Please stop.